Good morning children, welcome to math session. Now children, as you know, we are continuing with our chapter number 11, subtraction by borrowing. We finish our part 1, 2 and 3. Today we will be continuing with part 4. So topic for today will be word problem. Okay, so let us see the first word problem. Okay. There are 175 trees in Maharaj Park and 268 in Sayaji Park. How many more trees are there in Sayaji Park than there are in Maharaj Park? Okay. Now there are 175 trees in Maharaj Park and 268 in Sayaji Park. So how many more trees are there in Sayaji Park than there are in Maharaj Park? How you are going to solve it? You are going to make it a column of HTU, that is 100 tens and unit. You are going to arrange the number according to their place value. Then you will, after writing the number, you are going to write 268, that is trees in Sayaji Park, 175, that is trees in Maharaj Park. Okay, besides the number. Okay, now after arranging the numbers and after writing, you are going to start your sum. That is, you are going to subtract. So 8 minus 5. Now 8 minus 5. Now children, 8 is a bigger number, 5 is a smaller number. So we can easily subtract 8 minus 5, correct? So after 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 5 will be 3. Okay. Now the next number in tens place is 6 and 7. 6 is a smaller number, 7 is a bigger number. So we cannot subtract 6 from 7. So what we will do is, we will cut this 6 and we will make it as 16. And from where I borrowed this one? I borrowed 1 from 2. So if I borrow 1 from 2, 2 will become 1. Okay. So 16 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is your answer? 93. What answer you got, children? 93. So how you are going to write the answer? Sayaji has 93 more trees. What you are going to write? Sayaji has 93 more trees. Understood? Now next. There were some books in a bookshop. The shopkeeper brought 125 more. Now there are 234 books in the shop. How many were there in the beginning? Now there were some books in a shop. Okay. The shopkeeper here there were some books in a bookshop. And the shopkeeper brought 125 more books. Okay. So now there were 234 books. Okay. It became 234 books in the shop. You have to find out how many were there in the beginning. Okay. What were the some books in a bookshop? What was the amount of that? Some books, we have to find out that. So for that, what we are going to do is, we are going to make a column of HTU. That is 100, tens and units. And the numbers we will arrange according to their place value. That is 100, tens and unit. Okay. So after arranging the number, what you are going to write is books. Okay. It is the total books. So you are going to write books. Now here I have no place, so I have written in units column. But where you will write next to 234. Okay. Because here I am not having enough place to write, so I have written here in the units column. You have to write besides where you have written the number 434. Okay. So now we shall start our subtracting. Now 4 is a smaller number and 5 is a bigger number. So we will not be able to subtract. So what we will do is, we will cut this 4 and we will make it as 14. Okay. Now from where I got this one to make it 14? I borrowed from 3. So if I borrow from 3, 3 will become 2. Okay. So 14 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Just a sec. Okay. Wait children, just a minute. Okay. So 14 minus 5 will become 9. 2 minus 2 will be 0 and 2 minus 1 will be 1. So when I subtract 234 minus 125, I get my answer 109. Okay, so answer what we are going to write? There were 109 books in the beginning. How many books were there in the beginning? There were 109 books in the beginning. Next. Aman has 325 beads and Sulabha has 150. Aman has 325 beads and Sulabha has 150. How many more beads should Sulabha take so that they will both have an equal number of beads? Now Aman is having 325 and Sulabha is having 150. So how many more should Sulabha take so that both Aman and Sulabha will have equal number of beads? How we will solve that? We will make a column of HTU, that is 100 tens in unit. We are going to arrange the number according to their place values and then we are going to write beads with Aman. How many beads were there with Aman? 325. And beads with Sulabha were how much? 150. Okay. So now let us subtract. Okay. 5 minus 0. 5. 2 minus 5. 2 is a smaller number. 5 is a bigger number. So it cannot be subtracted. So we'll cut 2 and we'll make it 12. And where we got this one from? We borrowed from 3. That is in hundreds place. Now if I borrow 1 from 3, 3 will become 2. So 12 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 7. And 2 minus 1? 1. So what is the answer? 175. How you are going to write the answer? Sulabha should take 175 beads. How many beads should Sulabha take to make it equal? 175 beads. Okay children. Now next. There are 350 girls and 215 boys in a school. How many girls are there than boys? Now there are 350 girls and 250 boys in a school. So how many girls are there than boys? Let us calculate. We will make a column and arrange it vertically. Okay. So 350 and 215 numbers are arranged according to their place value. After arranging the number, what you will write? 350 girls, 250 boys. Okay. So now we will subtract. Now 0 minus 5, will it be possible? No. What we will do, we will make this 0 as 10. And from where I got this one, I borrowed from 5. 5 will become 4. So 10 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 135. I got my answer. When I subtract 350 minus 215, I get my answer 135. How I am going to write the answer? There are 135 girls more than boys. What is the answer? There are 135 girls more than boys. Next, there are 175 orange trees and 65 lemon trees. There are 175 orange trees and 65 lemon trees in an orchard. How many more orange trees are there than lemon trees? Okay. So how you are going to do is, now that we have 175 orange tree and 65 lemon tree, we have to find out how many more orange trees are there than the lemon tree. What we are going to do is, we are going to arrange them according to their place value. Okay, that is H, we will make a 100 tens unit column. Then we will write HTU. Then we will arrange the number according to their place value. Then besides the number, we will write 175 is orange tree. So we will write orange tree beside 175. Then 65 is lemon tree. So we will write 65 in lemon trees. Okay. So now we have to find out the answers. We will subtract. 5 minus 5, is 0. 7 minus 6, 1. And below 1 there is nothing. So we are going to write here 1. Okay. So we'll consider as 0. So 1 minus 0 will be 1. So what is the answer? When we subtract 175 minus 65, what answer we get? We get 110. And how we are going to write our answer? There are 110 more orange trees. What we are going to write? There are 110 more orange trees. So with this, children, I finish my today's session of word problem. Okay, I hope you understood this session very well. Now children, let us come to the classwork, what we are going to write. I'll show you how you are going to start and how you are going to write in your notebook. I hope the previous all sums are done in the notebooks and your books are complete with whatever I am teaching. So children, first you are going to write chapter 11, subtraction by borrowing. Only that, chapter 11, subtraction by borrowing. Don't write part 4, okay? Write the heading chapter 11, subtraction by borrowing in a fresh page with today's date. First you will write today's date, then you will write chapter 11, subtraction by borrowing, okay? Then what you will do, you will write topic as word problem. Don't write TOPIC topic, only just write, leave one line and write word problem, okay? After now you have written the word problem, then again leave one line. After writing word problem, leave one line and then write the first question. Okay, this is your first question. You are going to write there are 175 trees in Maharaj Park and 268 in Sayaji Park. How many more trees are there in Sayaji Park than there are in Maharaj Park? This will be your first question. Now after you have copied this from the slide, after writing this, what you will do? You will make a column of HTU. You will arrange the numbers according to their place value. Then you will write this trees in Sayaji Park. How I have made the column, the same way you are going to make the column. Then the same way you are going to write beside that whatever I am writing. Okay, I have this, my writing has come in the units box, but you don't have to write in that units box. Now teacher is not having place in this slides and it has to be understood by you that where it has to be written. So I have written here in the units place. You can write it. You don't have to write in the box, right? Outside the box, okay? Don't write inside the box trees in Sayaji Park, trees in Maharaj Park. Here I am not having place, so I have written here inside the box, but you will be writing outside the box, okay? Outside the column you will write, okay? Now after writing this, you are going to solve it by yourself. You can see in the slides and check your answers, okay? Then after solving this, you have finished. Then write this answer. Don't write on a fresh page. On the same page, down line. When you have finished this writing, then below that, when you have solved this sum, below that write the answers, that is equal to sign. Then Sayaji has 93 more trees, okay? Understood how you have to write this? This will be your first sum over. That will be your first sum will come in one page, okay? Then come to the next page. That is the second word problem, okay? Don't make it a messy, children. Write very neat work. Write one page, one word problem, okay? Because HTU column you will make and write, and then you will write down the answer, and then again you will start with the second sum. It will be very messy. So one page, one sum, okay? Then this page, come to the next fresh page, write the second question. That is, there were some books in a bookshop. The shopkeeper brought 125 more. Now there are 234 books in the shop. How many were there in the beginning? This is your second question on a fresh page. After writing this second question, you will make the HTU column, okay? And arrange the numbers, and beside that you will write books, okay? Then you will solve it the sum, and then after solving answer, you will write there were 109 books in the beginning. Then like that every question. Now this will be a third question. After that second, again write the third question in a fresh page. Solve it by yourself. Check the answers with the slide. Write the answers and then come to the next. Like that, the full till the last slides you have to write all the sums. Okay children? I hope you understood how to copy and how to write. Whatever doubt you are having, if you are not clear how to write, you can ask in the respective class group. Okay, so I will tell you whatever doubt you have. Okay, as of now how you have to write. Okay children, you can send me image also if you want after writing whether it is correct or not. Okay, so children, I hope you understood this session very clearly. See you in the next session. Till then, bye. Keep learning, keep practicing. See you soon.